If you're curious about Charlie Munger's investment in Tesla, you've come to the right place. In this video, we discuss the factors that have led to Munger's recent praise of the electric vehicle manufacturer, from Tesla's impressive growth to its shortened delivery times. We looked at the possible causes of Munger's shift of opinion about the corporation, and we also talk about Munger's feelings toward Elon Musk. First things first, hit the like and subscribe buttons. Then remember to share with your friends about Tesla's stretched valuations and the delicate balance between confidence and humility when investing. Now settle in, grab a drink, and get ready to learn more about why betting against Elon Musk can result in severe financial loss. Said. Let's get the video started. Tesla has made some progress recently, cutting the wait time for delivery of its Model 3 and Model Y cars to just 1 week. This information is very reassuring, as the shortened wait time may result in a significant increase in demand for the company's electric cars and could be a factor in the company's massive investment. In a recent CNBC interview, Charlie Munger abruptly changed his mind about the company. Despite his prior skepticism towards the electric vehicle industry, he showered praise on Tesla for its remarkable achievements in rapid expansion, expressing his bullishness towards the company and its success in exceeding his expectations. Munger even went so far as to call Elon Musk's Tesla an amazing accomplishment for the American auto industry. But this commendation stands in sharp contrast to the investor's previous criticism of Musk and Tesla in 2018. Munger called Musk a remarkable fellow, implying that he respects his strong sense of entrepreneurial spirit and determination. But he also chastised Musk for his behavior, particularly his use of social media, which has put him in hot water on several occasions. According to Munger's remarks, Musk should exercise greater caution when speaking in public and concentrate more on running his businesses than posting on social media about his ambitious space exploration aspirations. Munger expresses doubts regarding its intention to settle Mars. Munger has maintained that the project's expense would be unaffordable and its danger would be excessive. Munger's remarks echo the worries that certain industry insiders and investors have voiced regarding the most ambitious ambitions for Munger. Also raised doubt about Tesla's value, saying that even if he had no idea if they would succeed, the valuation placed on them was excessive. SpaceX and his visions for conquering Mars in 2019, despite his misgivings about Tesla. Munger's remarks demonstrate his cautious approach to investing and his conviction that businesses should be evaluated on their fundamentals rather than hype or market sentiment. Munger has been known to invest in companies with strong fundamentals and long-term growth potential. Despite this, Tesla has emerged as one of the world's most valuable companies, with a market capitalization exceeding $600 billion as of January this year. Munger's change of heart towards Tesla showcases the company's significant accomplishments and influence in the industry. I still remember this moment clearly during the Daily Journal's 2019 shareholder meeting. Munger expressed similar sentiments about Elon Musk, but added that he wouldn't hire him personally. It was shocking at the time to hear that Munger believed that he would prefer to hire someone who understands their limitations rather than someone who doesn't. However, Munger acknowledged that sometimes individuals who overestimate themselves can achieve great success. This is where we need to pause and carefully examine Munger's words. He explained he did not want to surround himself with people who live in a state of delusion and occasionally win big. Instead, he preferred to have prudent individuals in his personal life. During the annual shareholders' meetings for Daily Journal, a shareholder asked Berkshire Hathaway's vice chairman, Charlie Munger, about his thoughts on Elon Musk and Tesla's recent ups and downs. The Munger's response emphasized the significance of self-awareness and striking a balance between humility and confidence. He admitted that Musk might occasionally be eccentric and overestimate himself, but he also might be accurate. Occasionally, according to Munger's remarks, Musk is a powerful person who shouldn't be taken lightly. Investors who think a certain stock or security is overvalued and will drop in price use a strategy called short selling. To short a stock, an investor borrows shares from a broker and then sells them right away on the open market, hoping to repurchase them later at a lower price. If the stock does drop in value as anticipated, the investor can then repurchase the shares at a lower price, return them to the broker, and keep the profit margin. Over the years, Tesla has been the focus of much debate and conjecture, which has led some investors to feel that the stock is overpriced and appropriate for shorting. In 2021, short interest in Tesla reached a peak of over $47.8 billion, indicating that investors had borrowed and sold shares worth that amount in the hope of later repurchasing them at a lower price. However, in the first half of 2023, Tesla shares began to rise significantly. From the beginning of January until the middle of February, this upward despite ongoing difficulties like COVID-19 lockdowns in China and supply chain disruptions. The trend was driven by positive news, such as better-than-expected fourth-quarter deliveries and a positive full-year delivery forecast for 2023. As a result, short sellers of Tesla suffered significant losses in the first few months of 2023, with roughly $6.65 billion in mark. The decline in the market by assessing the current market value of the securities held in the portfolio despite these losses. The mark-to-market approach is used to determine the worth of an investment portfolio. Less than 3% of Tesla's total stock float, or about $15.75 billion, is still under short interest. This indicates that the quantity of shares being shorted has dramatically dropped, and the market's perception of Tesla has generally improved, despite the fact that some investors are still betting against the business. In addition to the significant contributions to Berkshire Hathaway's success as vice chairman and to the development of the company's investment philosophy, which has made it one of the most prosperous companies in history, Charlie Munger has made other public remarks about Tesla during this crucial period for the company. Short sellers can attest that betting against Elon Musk can result in significant losses. Munger's advice is wise. Due to his astute investing advice and observations about life in general, Charlie Munger is a well-known and esteemed figure in the finance industry. By the way, while both Tesla and BYD are electric vehicle firms, there are notable distinctions between the two. Tesla is an American business that focuses on clean energy products and electric cars. Elon Musk started it in 2003, and its main objective is to hasten the switch to sustainable energy. Tesla specializes in electric cars and offers a variety of types, such as trucks, SUVs, and sedans. Along with investing in battery production, Tesla is also working on creating autonomous driving technology to help its electric vehicle business expand. Additionally, Munger has released a warning regarding the financial markets, pointing out the profusion of venture capital and other private equity funds, and stating that the economy is in danger as a result of terrible excesses of some. He attributed the excesses of the financial markets, which are driving individuals to spend more on commodities than they did a year ago, and adding to the price of commodities more swiftly, to factors like GameStop in the Bitcoin market. Rising global inflation rate. We appreciate you watching our film about Charlie Munger's Tesla investment. It's amazing to witness how well-known investors like Munger gradually modify their opinions about businesses. Munger's renewed admiration for Tesla is evidence of the business's remarkable development and innovation in the electric vehicle sector, as we've witnessed. 2023 Munger's concept of balancing confidence with self-awareness is a fantastic reminder to us all to remember to hit that like and subscribe button to remain up to date on the latest news and insights from Wall Street wins. Short sellers who bet against Tesla have had a tough start to 2023.